we are back to teach you a fun science experiment behind DNA. Okay, guys? Okay. So, guys, DNA? Well, at first you may be thinking, what is DNA and how can Atharv do an experiment about it? Well, I'll tell you how. We are going to extract the DNA of a banana. Okay, guys?
That makes me thinking about you are making banana bread.
No, Amara. I feel hungry too. Thinking of the word banana bread. But no, we are not going to make banana bread today. We are going to extract DNA.
We are going to do an experiment of
Yes,
DNA.
and guys, I will not only extract DNA. I and you, we will see DNA. We can't see DNA. There are billions of DNAs in our body, but we can only see it from a high-powered microscope. But can we see it live without any tools? Well, today we can in this video. So, guys, the things you need for today.
If you want to know, if you didn't see our videos, please go see all our videos and please see this one.
Yes. So, guys, we need a strainer and we need a smasher
and a sanitizer,
dishwasher,
salt, and banana, and like you always said,
ripe bananas, guys, a jar, some water.
Half cup of water.
Yes. Okay, quarter. So, guys, Amara
It's time for the
and
experiment.
Amara, congratulations, you did super well.
Thank you. You also did super well.
Thanks, Amara. So, guys, what we do first is the exciting part.
Potatoes, banana.
Yes, guys, it's like making yummy banana cake and bread with my mother. I have to smash the banana. Guys, we peeled it. Now we are mashing the banana.
But
Thanks,
actually
Amara.
looks good.
Thanks, Amara. Do you want to have a go?
Yes, please.
Here you go. So, Amara, how you do it is
Yeah, you can get all the pieces which is stuck to the bowl.
I have to smash it. Guys, as you can see, we have mashed up banana. So, look. Now we just have to add a little water. Yes. Now adding it. Short. Yes, guys. Now let's stir. Okay, that's enough. Now what we have to do is we have to take the strainer and then
Pour that. Maya,
Yes.
this is going to be the fun part.
yes,
I love it.
yes, I'm gonna pack.
Thank you.
So guys,
We
look,
are done.
we are done. Now what we do is we put
some
this
fish
up.
sauce. Wow. Okay, that's it.
Yes. Now let's stir it.
Stir it. Can I stir it a little?
Guys, be careful.
Can I stir it a little?
Amara,
So
do
fun.
gently.
Yes, Maya.
Guys, no bubbles should come. Yes,
It's
Amara,
like
that's
creamy.
yes. Now what we do is we add.
Sanitizer.
Yes. After just few times, let's mix it. So guys, there should be no bubbles now.
Yeah, seriously. Yes, thanks. I think that's the same.
So guys,
Done.
done. So guys, let's remove the spoon.
And no mixing.
Yes, let's leave it just undisturbed right here. So
Let's
now what we do? But wait first. Abracadabra. Here come some forks. This is for this we will lift the DNA with this after 5 minutes. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Now let me tell you the explanation. So guys, why we added this soap is that it crushes all the membranes and then it then the DNA appears. And why do we add the hand sanitizer? Well, because all the DNAs, they could separate from each other. Okay guys? Okay. So guys, till this is happening, you want me to tell you some fun facts? Okay, fun fact time. So guys, did you know that we share, Amara, let it be undisturbed, we share 99.9% of our DNA with everybody in the world. And let me tell you one more funny thing, we share 98% of DNA with chimpanzees. Guys, no wonder we keep jumping around all the time.
Jump, jump, jump. Like a monkey.
So guys, no wonder. So, now, did you understand this experiment? And guys, do you know something? The DNA can stretch 600 times around the whole earth and come back 600 times. Isn't that just brilliant? From the sun to this ground. Wow, guys, to the earth. Isn't that amazing, guys? And not only one time, 600.
600.
Yes, that's not a joke, isn't it?
Wait, what did you say?
Guys, till the DNA is extracting. Now, let me tell you something. So, guys, do you know the full form of DNA?
Also cows have, also animals have DNA.
Yes, bacteria, germs.
Humans have DNA.
So, guys,
Plants have DNA.
so every living thing has.
We have DNA.
So, guys, it's deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, guys? Okay. Now, let me tell you something. So, do you know what DNA is? Well, DNA is a molecular blueprint that creates RNA, and RNA creates proteins, and protein creates a magical thing called life. Okay, guys? Okay. So, guys, I think it's ready.
Can I have?
Yes. So, Mom, zoom in. So, guys, look. Guys, look, DNA. Wow. Wow. Yes. Yes. Wow. Guys, look.
I also
Can
can.
you see these clusters? They are the clusters of DNA. Guys, this is just unbelievable. That's why I love science so much, guys. Science is just the best.
Can I have this?
Yes. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.